Good morning, everyone. I am Tanya from class 7. Welcome to RMPS News. Well, as a manatee peon of increased liquidity with the banks increasing money supply leading to too much money chasing to fees goods result in a price rise of commodities or reflection controlling such liquidity is within the domain of RBI through tools such as CRR, SLR, OMO, repo, attention refers to the chapter all banking to refer secondly being seen as physical through expenditure and tax measures and from the supply side which is essential in respect of agricultural products which may arise due to given products bottlenecks or distribution bottlenecks are calculation and hoardings. It is simple to see great as above, but once reflection sets in all the above, it is difficult to say which is the cause, and all get interrelated. It can those be seen that reflection is multidimensional and cannot be tackled through on one policy tool but through a combination of steroids admit at the supply side especially is the agricultural sector. Therein is the challenge from the government that once reflection sets in all reflects at coming reflection will always fall short expressions at a still border level. Inflection is also about the petitions which people in general hold in the ability of the government to maintain price stability, as if one is unsure of the price tomorrow one will stock up today, and if one's apprehensions come out to it will to more striking images it this situation. It is always a stiff challenge from the government in inflection leaves a scar in the minds of people which are difficult to move. There are structures problems like rising income of the poor through the and other such income generation activities from the poor which is bound in to increase demand for food items, and given the near exchanges is in agricultural products build inflection. Thank you.